Hi guys, so today we are diving deep into the heart of Mughalai cuisine with a truly royal dish, beef Bhuna Gosht. This rich and flavorful curry is a masterpiece of Indian culinary art. Tender pieces of beef are slow cooked in a fragrant gravy made with aromatic spices and yogurt. The result is a dish that incredibly tender, flavorful and simply irresistible. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making this aromatic beef Bhuna Gosht. From marinating the beef to simmering the gravy, I'll make sure you have everything you need to recreate this culinary masterpiece in your own kitchen. So now, let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add 1/4 cup mustard oil, add 3 bay leaves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, 5 cloves, 3 onions sliced, and fry the onion until nice and brown, something like this. Then add 1 kg beef cut in medium pieces, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, and fry the beef for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let the beef soak in all the caramelized flavor from the onion. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and fry the masalas for about 5 minutes. Then add half cup yogurt and cook the yogurt for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup water and cover it and cook it until the beef is nice and soft. Then give it a nice mix. Then add half tablespoon Garam Masala, 4 whole green chilies, handful of chopped coriander leaves, and then fry it for about 2 minutes. Then cook it again for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. As you can see, the curry is perfectly cooked and the oil is perfectly separated on the surface. Then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a truly royal beef Bhuna Gosht. The tender beef, rich gravy and aromatic spices come together to create a dish that's both luxurious and satisfying. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.